Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix 0xC0EA000A Windows activation error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Windows activation error, Windows not activated, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose run. And in run dialog box, type the command services.msc. Click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. And here under available services, look for the Windows time services. Open it, right click on it and first choose start. If you found already in a start mode, then restart Windows time services. In my case, it will stop mode, so we will start it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. And click on apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether you are still receiving Windows activation error or not. If you are still receiving, then go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to time and language and make sure that correct date and time is set. Click on date and time and set also sync now. Click on sync now to sync your data time with time server time.windows.com and make sure that your time and date is correct set and set automatically. Thereafter close the windows and check whether your Windows activation error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and again choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. Thereafter from the right side, scroll down and click on activation. And here you will find your activation state. If your activation not active, then you will find a troubleshoot icon here. So click on troubleshoot and run the Windows activation troubleshoot. In my case, Windows is active now, so troubleshoot icon not available here. In your case, you will find a troubleshoot option here. So run the Windows activation troubleshoot and check whether your Windows activation error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open your Chrome browser or any other preferred browser, and here in search field, type Microsoft account. Open Microsoft account. Choose Microsoft account sign in. Your Microsoft account page will here available. Here from the top menu bar, you will find the option devices. Here you will not find devices option. Devices option will available on right side. So more and choose devices. And if you have added any devices to your Microsoft account, find out if any devices added to your Microsoft account. Simply remove devices added with your Microsoft account. In my case, this is Windows Phone added to my Microsoft account. So choose see details and click on remove this device unlink from Microsoft account. Click on this option and finally once you remove your device, you would not see it here anymore. So make the check against option. I am ready to remove this device and choose remove. Apply this process for all your added devices with Microsoft account. And thereafter close the windows and check whether your Windows activation error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and here type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute the command slmzr space dash ipk and space and enter your product key, your activation, Windows activation product key, enter here and press enter, and follow on screen instruction to complete the execution process. Once successfully execution of this command, one another command, you will have to enter slmzr dash space dash ato and press enter. So reactivate your Windows by this command prompt Windows, and this command follow on screen instruction to complete the process, and after that execute the command sfc slash scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files.